if you're getting a surety bond or insurance policies for your construction related business, you may want to look at coverages for job site thefts. There's been a huge spike in construction site burglaries, thefts, and materials going missing. Look, it used to be enough to get coverage for damage, where if you have a stack of lumber and a forklift drives into it and damages some lumber materials, that should be enough. Nowadays, because of the fact that there's economic problems and people are stealing more, and also that laws are not prosecuting criminals as much as they used to, there's more of a kind of open mentality about crime, theft, burglary. There's more people stealing lumber. Plus, the fact that building materials have gone up in price. A 2x4 that used to cost $1.99 now could be a $6 or $7 item. A bucket of paint that was 20 bucks 4 years ago now could be $100. So those losses not only are more frequent, but each one now has a higher cost for the contractor or the builder. It's important to have insurance and also to understand the terms and conditions of your insurance policy. Most job site materials coverage extends a certain number of feet from the actual construction site. So if you store your materials within 50 feet or 100 feet, your policy may cover it. If you go farther away, if you store your materials 200 or 300 feet away, they may not be covered. So little things like where the materials are stored might make a difference. Also, putting up a security fence around your property might be an expense, but it might keep you from losing hundreds or thousands of dollars. And the fact you don't want to put in an insurance claim for a small amount, because that could either cause you to lose coverage, get non-renewed, or have a higher premium next time around. Make sure that you're practicing good job site security from the standpoint of keeping things bundled up. If you have a stack of lumber that has banding around it, leave that banding on it until you need to start pulling from that lumber pile. If you have, let's say, paint that's palletized and shrink wrapped, leave it shrink wrapped as long as you can. Keeping the items inside, in a garage, in a shed, in a storage compartment is also best practice. And certainly your tools, make sure you have either a good job site security box or take them with you. If you have a construction trailer, a towable trailer that has all your tools in it, man, that's a problem waiting to happen. Somebody could back up and steal your trailer or break into it and just walk off with a bunch of tools. You can see the tools behind us here. Between what we have in our office and our job sites, there's $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 worth of tools, and thieves can steal those and pawn them very easily to get their next fix. So getting another pair of eyes on your job site security might be helpful. Your insurance broker can help you with that. They can give you some best practices and also tell you what are the types of claims they're seeing, because there might be new types of theft that you may not be aware of that you don't want to be the first person to be a victim of it. You want to know about it from other areas of the country and not have it affect you financially, because not only do you have to pay the cost, but you're probably going to have to shut down your job site to wait for the replacement materials to show up or the replacement tools before you can get back on your job schedule.